18 when he's actually cultivating that area. He knows the Appian ways to chook, to chook, to chook, to. Everywhere is smelling, coming, right? Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy Amade in the channel. Welcome again to my channel, and in this channel we do pep talks. We talk about sensitive matters, sensitive issues that most women or men shy away from. We'll bring them raw to this channel. Wait, hold on guys. Let's open the video proper, okay? This is so we get into the mood for learning and coming and penetration. Yeah, guys. Okay, let's get into the video proper. Today we are going to be talking about, or I'm going to be giving out tips on how to achieve coming, on how to achieve orgasm. Guys, this smells good. Yeah, this smells good. This is Dear Body Mist from Victoria's Secret. It smells nice. I like it, and it's very mild. So we're going to be giving out tips on how to achieve orgasm. Please, if you know that you are a shy person, if you know that you are holier than me, this channel is for you. But you might just pipe low and just be watching me and leave people like me where we say don't spoil. Some people will just be looking at, oh Nancy, this girl don't spoil. Okay, it's just to help our ministry. Okay, let's get into the video proper. The first technique on how to help a woman achieve orgasm is the cowgirl position, or the cowgirl technique. Please, these particular techniques I'm going to be dropping might also make women, or some of the women, to squeal, squeat. Yes, that's how they call it. So these positions are actually hyper active or hyper triggering positions. Now, the cowgirl position is the position whereby the lady stays on top. Okay, now she calls the shots in this position. Lady on top, she calls the position. She is the one who determines how she wants the ride to go. It's it's not like when the man is on top, the man is the one doing all the moves. He might not be sure if he's actually hitting the 18 or if he's actually scoring the goals. But with this woman on top, the woman is actually the one who determines how she wants the flow to go. So she's the one who rocks the boat. She is the one who sails the ship. And I'm going to be giving us one tip on this particular cowgirl ride that will make you to squilt and even come like mad. And that is, when you as a woman, when you are on top of your man, do well to close your legs. Yes, when you're on top of your man, you always want to open your legs while you rock, okay, with your hands this way. But now, while you're on top of him rocking, close your legs straight, just like your man's leg is. Close your legs straight and rock. And also tell your man to rock you while your legs are closed. And also, he should also massage your boobs. God, I can smell coming everywhere. Believe me, guys, believe me, ladies, this position is a bomber. I'm telling you, you'll come later thanking me. That's because once your legs are closed while you rock and your man also rocks at the same time, it helps you feel the joystick of your man very well. It helps you to feel the veins, the blood flow. It makes, you actually feel the erection, the strength of his joystick rocking your pecus very well. it, and then when he fondles or massages your boobs, it's now two in one triggering. That's, you're feeling the sweet sensation down below, you're also feeling the sweet sensation upper part, that's on your boobs. You can imagine having two triggers at the same time: penetration and boobs massage. It takes you to heaven and leaves you there. The second technique is the boobs penetration. Yeah, it's also similar to what I actually said about this cowgirl one, but in this sense now, it has to be the man being on top. Now when your man is on top and he is penetrating you, it's also advisable you let him know. That's why it's also good to communicate, while doing love making, okay, or having sexual intercourse. So at the time when he is on top of you, rocking you, okay, now depending on his stature, it will be a good idea for him to also massage or fondle your breast or suck your boobs. It's good. Yes, that's because it also gives you this same sensation, it triggers the hormones down there, down south, and also up up south, if there's anything like that. And then another one in this boost penetration is the doggy style. When your man is taking you from the back, which we call the doggy style, he can also have access to your boobs, where he can also massage your boobs while penetrating you from the back. And we all know, if you have had penetration from the back, it is deep. Though not deeper than the sitting position I am going to be talking about, but it is deep. But doggy position is actually deep. So imagine the penetration and also the boobs massage. It gives you another level of, that sweet calming thing that we keep talking about. It helps you to get to orgasm quicker as a woman. Then the third one in this boobs penetration is when you as a woman is on top, which is the cowgirl style that I talked about. You can also be on top of him while you're rocking, and he is also massaging your breast. Yes, so this is the second technique, which is the boobs penetration. Now the third technique is the doggy one. Guys, doggy penetration or doggy style is actually a modified way of reaching orgasm quicker. Yes, because, and especially if your man knows what he is doing. If he gets sense, let me use that word. If your man is sensible enough to know your G-spots, your 18, when he's actually cultivating that area, he knows the Appian ways to choke. He knows what to do, and it helps you get to orgasm quicker, because with this deeper penetration, you are closer to orgasm quicker than the other one. That's when the man is on top. Okay, when the man is on top, the coming doesn't come that much. Except maybe when he fondles your boobs alongside. Then the next one happens to be the sitting down one. Hi, please, if you know, say you need a fit endure deep penetration, don't try this particular style that I'm talking about. The sitting down position or technique is the one whereby your man is sitting down on the bed, you are sitting down on top of him, you guys are facing each other. You can actually hold him, he can hold you. Okay, so now you sit face to face with your man while you are sitting and also rocking. This position is very, very deep. That is because at this point the woman's legs are wide open. Yeah, and when it's wide open, it now gives room for deeper cultivation, for deeper penetration. Do you understand? So this particular position is very deep, but it hits the point of the coming. Guys, I'm just trying to be, to hold some talk here because of whitey, but I'm not feeling the vibe. Okay, now when the woman is on top in this particular sitting position, it helps bring the orgasm even quicker. Yes, please, if you say you need to do exercise, Don't try this particular method I am telling you about, or else your pelvic bone will just dislocate. Don't come and say it's Nancy that taught you this position. I'm only trying to help your ministry. That is what you are here for. With this kind of position, you won't complain that you did not feel your man. You won't complain that your man's joystick is small or big. Because why? You will feel it. You will feel it. But make sure that you are not bigger than your man. Because if you're bigger than your man and you sit down on top of your man in this kind of sitting position, if he does not have strength to carry you, forget it. You compress the man. Okay, so it's always better when the man is actually on the bigger side more than the woman, so that you can sit down comfortably and rock the boat. Believe me, ladies and gentlemen, you see these tips that I dropped, this technique that I dropped, they do magic in helping a woman come quicker, faster, nearer, and experience the sweetness of coming. Oh, guys, everywhere is smelling coming, right? I need to spray another one so that the coming smell can reduce. I don't know if you're also coming like now. I'm feeling like having some shot of rocking right now. Okay, guys, I hope this technique also helps you, because it has been helping so many women. Yes, believe me, it has been. I hope this technique also help you. Don't say I told you. I am only trying to help your ministry. Okay, remember to stay safe sexually, psychologically, materially, physically, emotionally, and all the lees. Bye-bye.